We grow up being told what we should be. Follow the familiar path. Take the safe route. But no one asks, what if you want to create something of your own? What if you want to tackle real challenges, make a difference, and build something that could change lives? The journey isn't easy. It's full of challenges, and the road can be lonely. But for those who dare to dream big, the rewards can shape not only your future, but the future of your community. But you don't have to walk it alone. The Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge 5.0 is here to support those who are ready to rise above the barriers. This is more than a competition. It's a movement, a chance to access the mentorship, resources, and support you need to make your impact bigger, to take what you've started and scale it to new heights. This challenge, launched by the government of Meghalaya, is designed to support innovative businesses and early-stage enterprises. It's more than just a competition, it's a platform that offers mentorship, funding, and resources through Prime's 9th-month incubation program. If you're a resident of Meghalaya with an existing business and are ready to scale, this is your chance. The top 75 will receive business support grants, with the top 35 receiving 2 lakhs and the top 40 earning 1 lakh to fuel their growth. You'll also get access to incubation programs, networking opportunities with successful entrepreneurs, and a suite of essential startup tools. In addition, you'll benefit from one-on-one mentoring with seasoned professionals, boot camps to sharpen your skills, and access to funding, market connections, and co-working spaces in Shillong and Tura. It's time to go beyond dreaming. The future is yours to shape.
Your moment is here.
Your moment is here.
Your moment is here.
Ki Pulit ke Assam jong ke STF. Ki badang ya kun ya ke jindon jong ke penhuan Shon Pisa Thok. Ha ke jing khanra ha ka kat atrik nai biang hajar pusau at Khanapara. Beliau akan biar ki beliau kynthup uwei uberi nong Shon ke district Bhoi melakon don ki hak ne kam shna Pisa Thok. Kat kum ke jing tip beliau alum ki Pulit ke Assam beliau jing tip ono ke jindon jong ke penhuan basna ne ke Pisa Thok Khanapara. Mar ki Pulit lelet men kanra kene kathan ha ka ba arut ki brio ki bala subadan keti ha kene ka kam Thok maria yoi ye ki Pulit ki lapet krat eldien ha kene ka jaka da ko be ka kali Maruti Suzuki A-Star ka badanu number AS not RF pra uwei not but pet kathan kainadhara Ithuru baki Pulit ki bala kathong ye kene ka kali ki oban bat no igni ki brio ha kainadhara APSC road hajan ka thanat Dispur Bakini ki Ngut ki bala syakam haro ki jengkana don keti ki dia belatip kerteng kumu Muhammad Sahil Ali arpo Islam kerta na karaibel Hauria Bhita apo ka Syagau Police Station baru harsh walang arpo Islam kerta na paridwa Khanapara kebah apo kathanat Khanapara aga distrik Bhoi ha ke jengka ki Pulit Muhammad Sahil Ali lapla ki jengdan keti aga nekam Menelam rus ke yang Shongwai ke bokunan kam ke badan tandai mer baridwa aga distrik Bhoi. Bada ke jeng talasi ki Pulit ke lioban Kurup hado hendreulak pra punya wajar sanspa tengka ka Pisa Thok. Kawai ke mesin basan Pisa Thok, kawai ke mobile phone, ka songkot sada letak da ke brown tape, ka songkot sada ke belasnah ka dur ke kot sanspa, ka sisong ke kot ban print Pisa Thok bat kawai ke kali arsyaka. Ki Pulit ke Assam kena penlong ya ke jing toket alor kena kam ke basan Pisa Thok ke belas sedang kendrai bah ke jela Assam bat haja ka kaput ke jela Meghalaya.
में हमको टोटल 2 आदमी अरेस्ट किया है और 6,87,500 मिला है, एक प्रिंटिंग मशीन मिला है और पेपर्स मिला है और 1 फॉरेनर सीज किया है।
अरेस्ट 2 जन हुआ ना? हाँ अरेस्ट कितना? 2
पूरा नॉर्मल का रहने वाला है सब।
नॉर्मल में रेंटेड थाना में रहता था। हमने इसको पकड़ा है APSC के सामने। इसके बाद उसका लीड लेके आई, इसका घर रेंटेड हाउस सर्च किया जो नॉर्मल मेघालय साइड में रहता है। उसका सर्च करने के बाद ये बाकी का सामान रिकवर हुआ। साहिल अली।